Installing Node.js on Windows is as easy as it can get. Simply go to nodejs.org, and once you're on this website, you should see this big green button which says Download for Windows. This site will auto-detect your operating system and will offer you a suitable download option. So click on this button to begin downloading the Node.js installer onto your hard drive. Once downloaded, run the installer executable, hit Next, click on the checkbox that says I accept the terms in the license agreement and hit Next again. Now I won't want to change the Node.js installation path, so unless you do, just hit the Next button on this screen. Here you can customize what gets installed, though we need all of these items. The installer will install the Node.js runtime, a package manager called npm, which is used to download modules and functionality written by the vibrant developer community, and it will also install the documentation and include Node.js and npm in your system's path environment variable so that you can invoke Node from any folder on your machine. Finally, hit Next and click on the Install button. Once the installation ends, open up the command prompt and type node followed by a space and then followed by ~version and press enter. If the installation did its job well, you should see the current version of Node.js as installed on your Windows machine. And that's it.